Hey, what is going on, guys? So you guys have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 here. I'm going to show you how to use the wireless PowerShare, okay? Very, very simple. So first thing is you want to go ahead and slide down the notifications. Oops. Slide down notifications, and then a little horizontal line right here. Go ahead and slide down again, and then right here is wireless PowerShare. So you can turn it on. And it says put the center of the phone back to back with another device. So wireless PowerShare is on, so you have to have another device that's capable of wireless charging, okay, like a Google Pixel 3. Let's pop that on top, and no problem. I can hear that it's charging. Let me go ahead and open that up. You can see it's wirelessly charging right here. How about a iPhone XS Max with a thick case on here? No problem. How about a Huawei Mate 20 Pro? Pop that on here. And you can see it charging, okay? You can also hold it back to back like this if you wish. And of course, if you want to go ahead and disable it, simply go ahead and slide down your notifications again. Just go ahead and slide down and then slide down again. And then you can go ahead and turn it on. And you can go ahead and turn it off as well, on and off, okay? It's on right now. And then if I go back here, I can go ahead and turn it off. Pretty simple. Any questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.